What is up, fam? It's day 2 here in Moab. We're gonna go hit up Navajo Rock. A little more mild than yesterday, but a few more miles than. Ran out of water yesterday, so we're gonna have to bring a little bit more. Also, camel up. It's actually a little bit chilly here today. I think it's like a high of 67 or something. As you can see, we got a little bit of rain last night. Hopefully trails are perfect.
I am a mole.
Judah's becoming a mole.
If you have a spot in your foot or anywhere that's like red or rubbed, you can use this.
The beauty of
Judah,
Judah, you ready?
I'm gonna start setting your alarm an hour earlier and you're gonna drive out here separate.
I think we start off with a little bit of descent. Oh, this off-camber stuff is sweet. Let's keep it fast. Whew. Hey, pup. That was steep and cool. Oh boy. Come on. Stay down, you front tire. I'm sorry. I couldn't steer my tire. Kept lifting. Hoo-wee. Holy hell. Hooey! Oh, God. I did it! I'm sure this doesn't do it justice, but that is what I just climbed. In my peripherals, I was not processing what this was.
Big old cliff.
Oh, I got a belly. I got a belly. Oh no.
It's all the water you drink.
You're like a camel. You're just cameling up. Reload. Reload. Well, fuck you. Is this high enough to base jump?
Hey guys.
Hey.
How you doing? Good. How yourself?
Good.
Hello. 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 Hi.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey.
Nice trick.
Are you glad I talked you out of your full face? Yeah. No, Judah's the only fool. Just kidding. Judah, you look fucking sick. I've lost weight on this ride so far.
Congratulations. Good job.
A good inch.
Did you shoot yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's so fucking scary.
What is?
Looking at this and then looking out there real quick, like it literally gets my nerves. Like, oh my god.
Well, once I stopped because once it processed what it was, I got scared. Because I came around here, that corner, and for whatever reason, it seemed like glossed over, like it was water.
Yeah.
And I
Oh.
was like, where's this friggin' water come from? And then all of a sudden it processed, I was like, oh shit. And then I was like, that's super sick, so.
Would you like to go ahead, Brentford?
Sure thing. Tree's a little bit lower than I thought. Oh no! Squeaking again. Judah, this is practice for the white line. Whew. It's not. Ah. This is cool. And then it's steep. Ah! Tried going wide open and then I couldn't make one of the turns. Luckily it was quite forgiving. Yeah. Huh?
Hold my rear.
Getting low. Fuck, dude. Yeah.
Tire boy?
Damn. Hey, he's got to. It was quite square. Thinking we may take a pretty substantial shortcut to, because it was like a mile we went since last time we filled it, and it was like flat when I was behind him. He needs 27 and a half.
Oh.
Otherwise I would have given him mine.
Really?
What are we missing out on?
What? The rest of this trail?
Uh-huh.
Some insane climb.
So give us time to see the arches and.
Yeah, we could go see the arches on our way back and then stop, throw a tube in, and we could still do Slick Rock today at that rate. Oh, Tyler will love it, so this is good. We need to do more Tyler stuff because the next 2 days are going to be Brett and Kyle stuff.
I was just telling Tyler, I was like, this should have been like day one trail.
Right.
Because after doing Captain Ahab yesterday,
be
this
honest,
is a little
I didn't
underwhelming.
realize when I planned Ahab for the first day, I did not realize Ahab
But having
was how Ahab is. Slow down, it comes this way. It wasn't very clear. I said it wasn't very clear, so I was just waiting to so you guys wouldn't go off the end. Left. Nice little switchbacks. Whew, that's loose there. Woo-wee! That's a rough transition at the bottom. That was cool.
That was pretty fun. I promise you the way down is not any easier.
To be fair, we rode today.
Yep.
So.
Almost there, I think. More of the mountain ducks. Yo. Wow. So dope. This would be the best camping spot.
Come on, Judah.
What? Oh, my ass was in the way.
I was like, have you ever seen somebody do a panorama like this and I take the photo and you walked all across it? And so I don't know if it's saved or not.
My ass get big.
What up, Tyler?
What's that?
I said, what up? Here. Take a picture of me and then I'll swap you.
I already got a picture of you. Oh, with your camera?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. Turn off.
What do I do?
Just look at me first. I was actually about to be like, if one more person asks us to take their photo,
I will take that photo.
I will take that photo. Well, you're using different muscles now.
No, I mean like, I feel like I'm wearing high heels walking down, and then when I take a step up, it's like relief because
Right, because
it's not muscles, it's pressure. Thank you.